Today we are going to talk about something we all want every day, to be happy and healthy. Can you tell me, when do you feel really happy? When you eat your favorite food? When you play with your friends? When you draw or listen to a story? Have you ever wondered where your food comes from before it reaches your plate? Let's take a journey with a tiny grain of wheat or rice from farm to fork. Now I want you to try something special. It's called mindful eating. That means eating with your mind, not just your mouth. Hold one peanut. Don't eat it at first. Touch it. Feel it. Now put it slowly in your mouth. Chew gently. Taste it slowly. Enjoy every bite. What do you feel? Isn't the peanut feel rough? It tastes nutty and it can be chewed carefully. Next time you eat, remember, no rush, no waste, and full taste. Every grain of rice, every piece of bread comes from someone's hard work. So, wasting food is like disrespecting all those people. Let's do this. Eat only what you need. Say no when you are full. Share food instead of wasting. Can you promise me no more throwing food in the bin? Healthy food gives us strength. But what do we need to stay strong and happy? Yes, exercise and games. Can you tell me which games do you like to play? Kabaddi or cricket? Hide and seek or ludo? After eating and playing, our body needs rest. Now let's talk about a silent helper, that is sleep. Sleep helps us to grow, stay fresh, and think better. Raise your hand if you sleep early. What happens if you don't sleep well? Yes, we feel lazy and tired. Let's all try to get at least 8 hours of sleep every night. Let's repeat together. My body is mine. I will say no to anything that feels wrong. Let's make a super healthy day plan. Repeat after me. I wake up early. I stretch and do yoga. I eat balanced food. I play and learn. I read a book. I sleep peacefully. Now make your own happy and healthy chart at home.